Hi everyone, today I am gonna unbox an aux cable by boAt. So let's see how it is. So I actually ordered it from Flipkart and it's an aux cable. So I have ordered it for a price of 199 rupees, if you can see. So yeah, let's see how it is. Yeah, this is the outer packaging, guys. So it says metallic series indestructible cable and audio file grade or audio cable. So 3.5 millimeter male to male stereo audio aux. So as they claim it, it's indestructible and it's very rugged. So let me see in the back what's written. So gives specifications and something else. Let's go ahead and open up this box. Let's see. Let me break the seal. Okay. Okay, quite nice, guys. Let me see what else is in the box. Nothing else. Let's get rid of the box. Okay, so this is the cable, guys. So let me focus into it. Yeah. So if you can see this, the boAt branding is here. Okay, and the cable looks quite solid, guys. It's pretty solid. Yeah, it says a 1.5 meters cable. Let us see how long it is. Okay, seems getting tangled up. So okay, it's giving me a tough time. Okay, as they say, it is a indestructible cable, so I think I can do anything with it. So let's see. Yeah, this is the cable, quite long enough. Let me try it with the speaker. I get my Sublime 2. My power it on.
Memory card mode.
Change the mode.
F. OX in mode.
Okay. Let me plug it into it. Let's plug it into the phone. Yeah. Let's play some song. Let's see. Here we go, guys. Yeah, it looks quite good, and the quality of the cable is really good, guys. If I would say, I would stress on that. If you are looking to find for any cable to connect to your any speaker, any car audio speaker or any other speakers, this quality is quite good. It's the material is quite good. It should last for a long time, as they claim it's indestructible. So it seems also so, and it's quite totally metallic. So I think you should go for it, guys, and it's only 200 rupees, quite cheap. So yeah, that's it for the video. If you like it, please give a thumbs up, share to my channel, and share it with your friends who are looking forward to buy any stuffs. Okay, thank you guys, have a nice day, bye bye.